English-Catalan. Make, do equals.
Fer.
Funny mini podcast to nail it. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart shortcut to language mojo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and free practice. Today you'll master English to Catalan for make, do. Make, I do, he does, she does, it makes, we do, you, all, do, they do, aka Catalan.
Fer. Fat. Ell fa. Ella fa. Fa. Fem. Feu. Ells fan.
Spoiler. This tiny verb gets a lot done. Your goal today. By the end, you'll boldly say, I do, make in Catalan without blinking. Let's go. Aim. Connect English cues, make, I do, he does, she does, it makes, we do, you, all, do, they do, to Catalan forms you can actually use in life.
Fer. Fat. Ell fa. Ella fa. Fa. Fem. Feu. Ells fan.
Forms you'll use. Quick, friendly conjugation tour, no yawning allowed. Make, do, base.
Fer.
I do, I make.
Fat.
You do, you make, singular.
Fas.
He does, he makes.
Ell fa.
She does, she makes.
Ella fa.
It makes.
Fa.
E.g., it makes me smile.
Em fa somriure.
Closing parenthesis. We do, we make.
Fem.
You, all, do, you, all, make.
Feu.
They do, they make.
Ells fan.
Bonus. Do it, make it.
Fer-ho.
Mini dialogues. Hear it, say it, smile at it. Repeat me out loud. A. What do you do first thing? B. I do coffee.
Fat.
Cafe. A. He does the list? B. Yes, he does.
Ell fa.
La lista. A. She makes a cake on Sundays. B. Yum.
Ella fa.
Un pastís els diumenges. A. It makes a big difference. B. Totally.
Fa.
Una gran diferencia. A. We do our homework now. B. Let's go.
Fem.
Els doers era. A. You all do the shopping? B. Yes.
Feu.
La compra. A. They do sports on weekends. B. Same here.
Ells fan.
Esport els caps de setmana. Quick drills. Lightning round. I say the English, you fire the Catalan. Then I confirm. Prompt. Make, do. You.
Fer.
Correct. Prompt. I do. You.
Fat.
Nice. Prompt. He does. You.
Ell fa.
Boom. Prompt. She does. You.
Ella fa.
Nailed it. Prompt. It makes me happy. You.
Em fa feliç.
Sweet. Prompt. We do. You.
Fem.
Yes. Prompt. You, all, do. You.
Feu.
Team power. Prompt. They do. You.
Ells fan.
Champions. Prompt. Do it. You.
Fes-ho.
Imperative. Rock on. Culture tip. The magic of fair. Catalan loves collocations. Learn a few, unlock daily life. Do homework.
Fer els deures.
Make a list.
Fer una llista.
Make the bed.
Fer el llit.
Make coffee.
Fer cafè.
Do sport.
Fer esport.
Make a call.
Fer una trucada.
Pro tip joke. A to-do list with only one line.
Fer.
Very efficient. Comprehension quiz. No grades, just glory. Say the Catalan out loud, then check my answer. Q1. I do my best.
Faig.
L. Miller Ch.5. Q2. He does the dishes.
Ell fa.
Els plats. Q3. It makes noise at night.
Fa.
Serol a la nit. Q4. We do it now.
Ho fem.
Era. Yes, the pronoun hops in front. Q5. They do the project.
Ells fan.
El project. Challenge plus wrap up. Your turn. Craft 3 lines about your day using
Faig. Fa.
and.
Fem.
Make it funny. Example. I do coffee, it makes me human, we do victory high fives.
Faig.
Café.
Em fa.
Huma.
Fem.
XOCS de Monts de Victoria. Remember, English forms we hit, make, I do, he does, she does, it makes, we do, you, all, do, they do, map to Catalan.
Fer. Faig. Ell fa. Ella fa. Fa. Fem. Feu. Ells fan.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more Catalan boosts, games, and bite-sized drills. This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. You've got this.